Alright, I was talking about Mustakin movie part 2. The movie yeah. Like the one that I made, must Country Ball Moments with Mustica. So yeah, it's gonna be returned during January. January 2nd. Yeah, it'll be released in that date. And I hope you appreciate the movie. And also, during this Christmas, I'm gonna unbox my MacBook, and I'm going to what was I gonna say? Oh right, make merch for my YouTube channel, what you're looking at right now, and that's all I'm gonna say for now. And if you want merch, then wait after Christmas. So that's all I'm gonna say. That's it.